how will you enjoy the fruits of your labor?
Correct.
Diba?
People mistake movement for progress eh. Diba? Yung the more na may ginagawa sila physically or mentally, tingin nila progress na agad yun. So, I think sabi sa akin ng father ko nun na kung magbe-business ka, iho, dapat gumagaan yung buhay mo. Anong sense na nagbe-business ka? Kung pahirap naman yung buhay mo, dumagdag lang yung pera mo, pero wala kang time sa family mo, wala kang time sa health mo, wala kang time sa sarili mo. So, wala. Naging slave ka lang din ulit, di ba? Better pa na huwag ka na mag-business.
Isip mo minsan, ito I'm sure as a businessman, ako din, as a businessman entrepreneur, you'll see someone on the street working at a cafe. May isip mo, sana yung buhay ko ganyan kasimple. Na papasok ako, I'll be a barista, I'll finish at 5, I'll go home, cook dinner, watch Netflix.
Correct.
I don't have to think about work.
Right.
Kasi, empleyado ka eh. Sometimes, sabi ko, sana pwede kong balikan yung buhay na. O pwede naman.
Oh, yeah.
But you'll see na being a businessman, it's not kung before 9 to 5 ka. Ito, I always tell this na, yung businessman, owner ng company. Sabi ko, you're an employee. So mga friends, you're an employee, you work 9 to 5. You have 9 to 5. As a businessman, my time is when I have my eyes open and when my eyes closed.
Correct.
Between those hours, I'm just working.
Right.
If I'm not working, I'm thinking about how I'm going to make this business work.
Correct.
And yung pressure nun, and yung anxiety.
Right. Very good insight kasi iniisip ko rin yung dati na, parang mas madali pa yung buhay ko na employee. Wala akong iniisip. Pag clock out ko, wala ka nang iisipin, di ba? Hindi ka tulad pag businessman ka, 24/7 gumagalaw utak mo eh, di ba? Patulog ka, yun yung iniisip mo. Pagkagising mo, yun agad yung iniisip mo. So,
Yun eh.
it is what it is.